Hey guys, Sabrina here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today is a kind of a fun video. It's not really educational, but I challenged one of my coworkers to an arm wrestling competition. This will be interesting. Comment down in the comment section right now who you think is gonna win, me or my coworker. Okay. Oh, is that light screwing it up?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Dead.
Is it good? Do I need to turn the flash on?
Am I doing
No,
it right?
you're good.
Okay. Ooh, okay, so Andrew, call it, okay?
Alright, let's do
On
this.
your I don't know how you gonna how are you gonna do it?
When I let
How
it
are
go.
you gonna do it?
When I let it go, it's
When you let it go?
time. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Oh.
Michael, you better clap back. Oh yeah.
That'll the ages.
Here we go. Michael was determined. It was a draw last time. But this time,
Mike,
Sabrina's
if you
not.
get beat by a girl,
Dude.
it's jokes for days on
man. Dude, he's breaking. He's breaking. She's just toying with him. She ain't even trying yet.
She's not even shaking.
I'm resting right now.
Oh
Almost.
man, this is not looking good for Mike. This is not looking good for Mike.
Let me adjust my towel while I rest.
Oh man.
Way to rub it
She
in.
ain't even trying.
Gosh.
What protein shake did she take today? There you
He
go.
wasn't ready.
I'm gonna give it to you. Here you go.
Boom, that's how it's done. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Girl power.